losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is going to be like April vlog part 2 thing. Yeah, my name is Cheche Okoye if you are new, and if you're returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. So today's plan was to take you guys with me to go braid my hair, but it was raining. It's been raining like crazy here. So it was raining, so I'm like in a hurry, and I got here and it's in somebody's house and I can't vlog it because it's somebody's house, privacy, right? But yeah, I made my hair. I don't know, I'm laughing, but it's been 1 year and 6 months since the last time I made my hair, and that's because when I came here, I didn't know making hair was expensive. Like, I mean, I think it's expensive now in Nigeria, but when I was in Nigeria, making hair was not that expensive. It was like 1.5 then, and then I came here. The first time I entered, she was like, oh, $300 for just like normal length, like just not even like wait, just like give me your back. And I'm like, come again. So now I ran for my life, okay? And then I braided my hair twice, okay, for like it's on YouTube, by the way, it's on YouTube. Yeah, I braided my hair, very funny way. I tried to braid my hair again like last year, like let's say ending of last year by myself. I just did like a couple of I just did like 2 or 3. I'm like, nah, I can't do this. I've been very weak for like 1 year and 6 months. Yeah, so today I decided to braid my hair, and it's so much affordable. I think maybe because it's like her house and it's not like a proper salon, because proper salon is like very, 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 very expensive. Well, it's not expensive again right now for me, but like it was expensive as a new person in Australia, but like still I'll still go pay cheaper money regardless. Okay, it's not cheap for sure, but like it's at least half of what they would charge you in the salon. I don't know how much they charge right now. I mean, I'm telling you, the $300 was like 2 years ago, so now I don't know how much they charge now, because I've never gone to make inquiry, because I don't even want to bother. But like it's like half of the price, here, probably because it's a house. And she did good, okay, she did like great. And it's still painful. And I know I did like gold. I was going to do black. I mean, I'm obsessed with black, clearly obsessed with black. And I've been wearing like black wig for like forever. And so I was like, you know what, I need a change. And you guys liked my what's that video, organizing video, where I wore the red short hair. Everybody's like, yay, change your hair, nice. So why not just braid this one? I wanted to braid the color of that hair, like all this blood thing, but like, why don't you just do something different, something that is not like you? Anyway, yeah. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this vlog. Okay, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right. Hey guys, happy Sunday.
A random waka that we're about
to do. A very random waka. So I was supposed to do my nails today. That was the plan.
I didn't know. I thought you were going to
no, do my nails and then I was supposed to be like a personal. I've not had a time for myself this whole week. I was supposed to like have like my time, So there's this girl. She has been showing me her nails.
It was random.
Not on purpose.
I didn't even know that.
But I feel bad if I let my friend walk around with that. So
see, I don't know how.
We are going to go fix our nails.
You look like I want to kiss her. I want to kiss.
It's a friendly kiss. It's a godly friendly
kiss. I wanna
on
kiss
the cheek.
her with a holy kiss.
So we're going to go do our nails today. Me, my one has fallen off. This other hand too has fallen off too. So I'm changing this one.
Not tell you why it fell off.
It's a story Kachi will have to tell on her channel.
My YouTube channel.
It's a story to tell. So now we're going to this place called Catwalk Nails.
Oh, I thought that's the one I saw now.
Yeah, that's why I did this one. And it's like really nice. So we're going there. It's in Bankstown if you're looking for where to do your nails. And they're a bit affordable and very nice. Very nice. Oh, also, just so you know, it's cash or transfer. They don't use POS. So if you're coming to this place, cash or transfer. We'll see you guys in the nail show.
See you later.
So this is Kachi's hand. This is the shape and the size she's doing. This is my hand. This is the shape and size I'm doing.
I want to put my reels.
Okay, I'll do your reels for you. Now she's giving me command. Okay guys, so this is what we have. The nails giving. At first I didn't really like the color, but I actually like it now. And the design, so nice. We are done with our nails. So this is what I did. I show you guys. You guys saw the process. This is what she did. Even though she said she doesn't like her nails.
I like it because it's Cheche that.
Cheche that did what? Cheche did not do anything. She picked everything.
Anyways, whatever.
Oh.
Man, I'm already happy. I'm not going to take it away. Do you know how my hand was looking early today? Today Sunday.
Well, now she has nails, and I have nails.
Benefit of having a good friend. Cheche.
This is how my heart is beating. Anyway,
But just like that, I'm already in the house, so
the plan was to drop her off in her house.
I've already carried all my things from her car. And after that, I look at my nails, look at my nails. She said, let's go and do our nails. I said, God, me like this, that you're taking care of anyhow.
I'm wearing a big earring.
Anyhow. That's how I carry new nails, so.
I'll see you guys in the next.
I'm so hungry, Jesus.
In the next clip. I don't even know what the clip is going to be. I don't have to plan my life. It just happens. I vlog it.
Since she met me, her life has been spontaneous. Like things have just been happening anyhow. All for good influence.
Bye. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing. So I got this product from a brand called All Shades Matter. Okay, so this is their mattifying foundation, and it's an Australian owned brand, which is so amazing. And inside the box it came with this cute letter that they wrote to me, very adorable. And it comes with a puff. This is like a face cleanser if I'm not wrong. Okay, and then the foundations, okay, it's vegan friendly, cruelty free, paraben free, and also gluten free. And it's so amazing to see a foundation that matches my skin tone that is owned by an Australian. That's amazing. So you guys will see the review on Instagram also in this video. Yeah. Hey guys, so I was about to like film a content for this brand. You guys saw me unbox it, and it's like the brand it's called All Shades Matter. I'm pretty sure I've said it in the unboxing. So it's like a new company, a female owned Australian company, which is amazing because if you're in Australia and you're dark skinned, it's really hard to just, you know, find products that are for you. So to see like an Australian owned brand, okay, that just focus on bringing out stuff for women of color, it's amazing. And they're just new, so they just came out with this 4 shade, and hopefully they will get like more dark shade. So for me, my exact shade is not here, but I can definitely, you know, like put 2 things together. I think I'm going to do like 30 and 20 to get like my current shade, my shade. It's my face changes depending on the season, okay? Yeah, so right now I feel like when they sent me this, when they sent me the sample product, I think they sent me shade, I don't know if it was 20 or 30, like either of them, and it was like perfect match. Or was it 10? It was perfect, it was like spot on. But right now my face looks different, okay? It's a different color. I cannot explain it. It's weird. So I'm about to film the content for Instagram. By the way, this is not sponsored. They just, you know, sent it, you know. Yes. So I want to film the content for Instagram, and it's going to go up before this vlog actually goes up. So there's one more thing I want to unbox before I start the Instagram content. But this is not a PR package. This is me ordering hair. Like, tell me who orders hair when they just braided. Like I placed this order and then I went to braid my hair. So now I won't even like rock the hair and all that stuff. But let me just open it up and show you guys. I'm going to put like her Instagram handle. She sells like wigs, like good wigs. Someone actually recommended her. Shout out to Mama, okay? I know she's watching my video. Yeah, and she sells amazing wig, and yeah, this is my first time getting a wig from her. but from Mama's wigs and all that stuff. And I've been following her on Instagram. It looks amazing, and I've been looking forward to like ordering something for her. And so she's doing like this discount thing, and I'm like, you know what, since I've been like thinking about it, I might as well just use the discount. This is cute. Okay, this is not sponsored. I bought this wig, but this is cute. Okay, I'm going to unbox it, but I want to unbox it for Instagram. I don't know, but this is so nice. Like, this is so freaking nice. Like, yo, nice. Let me open this up. Okay guys, so when you open it, like, the packaging is so girly and so nice. I mean, I'm not a pinky kind of person, but I have to feel like a girl sometimes. I mean, I'm a girl technically, but this is like cute. This is adorable. So it's called the, I think at this point, you guys know I don't pronounce names well, the Tessana brand. Okay, that's what it's called, the Tessana brand. And this is like amazing. Like, this is kind of box I'm not going to throw away. I'm sorry, this is going to just be there in my house. I can't throw it away. Aside from the wig though, I got this thing, like hair. Why am I so clumsy today? So aside from the wig, I got this hair wax stick thing. It's for your wig. Yeah, does it roll up? I thought it does. I mean, I'll figure it out, but it should be able to roll up or something, because how am I supposed? Oh dang. Does it roll down? Nope. Down? I don't know. But this is it though. You know, like when you do your wig and like, you know, try to lay the flyaways. Is that what it's called? Yes. I have no idea. But you know, like lay it down so it will be smooth. Yeah. So that's it. But this is a wig. So people have been telling me that I should get short wig that's going to fit me. This packaging is nice. Ooh. And it smells nice. And it's so, whoa, I'm about to start rocking short wigs. This is amazing. And it has this kind of band that I love. See, I hate those wigs that I have to like clip on the band. Like why do I have to go through that? But this one, they call it like an elastic thing, isn't it? An elastic thing and all that stuff. And it's already like bleached and all that. Like, just look at, I want to see what I'm showing you guys too. But this is what I mean though. Like, just look at the pattern. So I just have to just put it on my head and lay it down and all that stuff. But yeah, I got a short wig. This feels, this, you guys can see this. Well, I'm going to leave my Instagram handle. Hey guys, just to like pop and show you guys what the final look is like. I thought I was going to like mix two foundations to get this, but surprisingly I was able to use just the 20 shade, and then I used like 10 to highlight, and then I used 40 to contour. So you don't even need like concealers. You can use the three of them. I mean, I can use the three of them for my face. Anyway, I'm just happy about the whole brand thing. I'm happy about everything. Like, I can just order a foundation. So now I can finally use something and be like, guys, can get this in Australia. It's nice, and it's not that it's very affordable, and it's amazing, and it feels great. Okay. So I was going to do like my normal gym video, okay, like my last month vlog, and it was just chaotic this day. So I just did like show like two things, and I mean, I had to go and stand and wait for a bench and a bar. This is me actually waiting for someone to finish so I can use their bench. Anyway, I ended up just showing you guys this too, because in the whole chaos I was able to like just record two things, which is crazy, but I'll do better in the next vlog. After 3 hours, I am done. This is like a different suburb from like my main suburb where it's like gym, right? So it's like how do I explain? I can't vlog it. I come here because there is more equipment, but it's not like easy to vlog here. Does that make sense? There's less people and more equipment, but like I'm still new to this place, so some of the equipment is the same but like a bit different. I don't know, I've gotten used to that one. So this April gym vlog, you guys be expecting May gym vlog, because yes. So guys, I want to end this vlog by showing you guys the new way I take my protein powder. Okay, so I use this YoPro Greek yogurt that has about 15 gram of protein for the small one. This big one has 20 gram, but I mean I don't need to put 20 gram, but yeah. And then I'm going to add my protein powder. I had to go ahead and get like the biggest one because apparently it's not enough. And this one has about 29 gram of protein in one scoop, I think so. So that's like enough protein just in the beginning of the day, and it looks like ice cream and yogurt when you're done turning like strawberry yogurt. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. Don't forget to like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.